Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the service indicator on a Nissan Qashqai 2013 and onwards. So for step 1, you want your ignition to be on. Press the up or down button as you see in the picture here to select settings, then press enter to confirm. Now in the next menu you want to scroll down until you see maintenance and press enter. So now we're on step 2. You have accessed the maintenance menu or the service menu. Here you reset all the different maintenance options you have in a Nissan Qashqai. Just scroll up and down and press enter to whatever you want to reset. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.